Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which factor primarily differentiates a national park from a wildlife sanctuary in India? Answer A. Degree of human activity allowed. Question: if a new species is discovered in a wildlife sanctuary, what is the most critical step for its conservation? Answer B. Habitat preservation within the sanctuary. Question: why are buffer zones important around national parks in India? Answer B. They provide additional habitat and reduce human-wildlife conflict. Question: which of the following best explains the ecological significance of wildlife corridors connecting sanctuaries? Answer B. They help maintain genetic diversity by enabling animal movement. Question: how does the presence of a national park impact the local tribal communities living nearby? Answer B. It restricts traditional rights but can include participatory conservation. Question: which principle guides the selection of sites for wildlife sanctuaries in India? Answer B. Presence of rare and endangered species. Question: why is the concept of critical tiger habitat significant in national parks? Answer B. It identifies essential areas for tiger survival requiring strict protection. Question: how does habitat fragmentation affect wildlife sanctuaries? Answer B. It isolates animal populations leading to inbreeding. Question: which of the following is a major challenge in managing national parks in India? Answer B. Balancing conservation with local livelihood needs. Question: what role do wildlife sanctuaries play in climate change mitigation? Answer B. They act as carbon sinks through forest conservation. Question: why is community participation crucial in managing wildlife sanctuaries? Answer B. to ensure sustainable use and reduce conflicts. Question: how does the presence of invasive species threaten national parks? Answer B. they outcompete native species and alter ecosystems. Question: what is the implication of designating an area as a biosphere reserve in relation to national parks? Answer B. it includes core, buffer, and transition zones for integrated conservation. Question: which of the following best describes the Project Elephant in relation to wildlife sanctuaries? Answer B. a conservation program focusing on elephant habitats and corridors. Question: how do national parks contribute to the socio-economic development of nearby areas? Answer B. through ecotourism and employment opportunities. Question: what is the significance of the Tiger Reserve designation under Project Tiger compared to a national park? Answer B. it involves stricter protection and management focused on tiger conservation. Question: which factor is least likely to be considered while declaring a new wildlife sanctuary? Answer B. Geological mineral deposits. Question: how does ecotourism in national parks potentially impact wildlife? Answer B. It can cause habitat disturbance if not managed. Question: what is the role of the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972 in managing national parks and sanctuaries? Answer B. It provides legal framework for protection and management. Question: why is the Western Ghats region important for wildlife sanctuaries? Answer B. It is a biodiversity hotspot with many endemic species. Question: what is the ecological rationale behind restricting human access in core zones of national parks? Answer B. to minimize disturbance to wildlife and preserve natural processes. Question: how does the Ramsar Convention relate to wildlife sanctuaries in India? Answer A. it protects wetlands of international importance. Question: which of the following is a consequence of poaching in national parks? Answer B. disruption of ecological balance and loss of key species. Question: how can scientific research in wildlife sanctuaries aid conservation efforts? Answer A. by providing data for informed management decisions. Question: why is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve considered a model for integrated conservation? Answer B. it incorporates conservation with sustainable development and local community involvement. Question: what is the significance of endemic species in the context of wildlife sanctuaries? Answer B. they are unique to a particular region and require targeted conservation. Question: how do national parks contribute to the protection of migratory species? Answer A. by providing breeding and feeding habitats along migratory routes. Question: what is the purpose of the eco-sensitive zones around national parks? Answer B. to regulate activities and reduce impact on protected areas. Question: how does climate change pose a threat to wildlife sanctuaries? Answer B. it alters habitats and affects species distribution and survival. Question: why is the protection of wetlands within wildlife sanctuaries critical? Answer B. they support rich biodiversity including migratory birds and aquatic species. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.